Join me as I dive deep into the stock market and challenge myself to analyze the latest trends and predictions for Xhld today. Xhld stock has been making waves in the market lately, and it's no surprise why. As one of the most watched stocks in its sector, it's been a hot topic of discussion among investors and analysts alike. But what makes it so special? Today, I'll be diving into the nitty-gritty of Xhld's performance and sharing my expert analysis on what it means for your investments. One of the major challenges facing Xhld right now is the current market volatility. With the ongoing global economic uncertainty, investors are getting increasingly cautious, and stocks like Xhld are bearing the brunt of it. The recent fluctuations in its price have left many wondering if it's still a good bet. On top of that, Xhld has been in the news lately for some not-so-positive reasons, which has raised some concerns about its long-term prospects. Add to that the increasingly competitive landscape of its sector, and you have a perfect storm of uncertainty. Another factor affecting Xhld's performance is the changing regulatory environment. The recent announcements from the government have had a ripple effect on the industry, and Xhld hasn't been immune to it. The increased scrutiny and new rules have forced the company to reevaluate its strategy, which in turn has impacted its stock price. And let's not forget the impact of global events, such as the ongoing pandemic, which has had a significant effect on the entire sector. Despite all these challenges, Xhld still has a lot going for it. The company has a strong track record of innovation and has been investing heavily in research and development. Its diversification strategy has also been paying off, and it's starting to show in its financials. But the real question is, can it continue to weather the storm, or is it due for a correction? Let's take a closer look at the numbers. Xhld's recent earnings report showed a significant increase in revenue, but its profit margins have been shrinking. The company's debt-to-equity ratio is also a cause for concern, and its valuation multiples are looking a bit stretched. On the other hand, the stock's technicals are looking strong, with a solid uptrend in place and a recent breakout above a key resistance level. According to many experts, Xhld is still a good buy, despite the current challenges. They point to its strong fundamentals and the company's proven track record of navigating difficult times. However, others are more cautious, citing the high valuations and the uncertain macro environment. As for me, I think Xhld is a stock that's definitely worth keeping an eye on. My key insight is that Xhld is at a crucial inflection point. The company's management has been talking about a major transformation effort, which could be a game changer for the stock. If they can execute it successfully, we could see a significant upside in the near future. But if they fail, the consequences could be dire. In my opinion, the next quarter's earnings report will be make or break for Xhld. As we've seen, Xhld is a complex stock with a lot of moving parts. While it faces many challenges, it also has a lot of potential. By keeping a close eye on its performance and staying up to date with the latest developments, you can make an informed decision about whether or not to invest in it. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on Xhld stock in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more in-depth investment analysis and market insights. I'll see you in the next video.